It is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. I am Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we go over common real estate and mortgage related terms. Today's term is MLS, which stands for Multiple Listing Service. And this is a database that allows realtors and brokers to access and add information about different properties for sale in a particular area. The goal of it really is to connect buyers to sellers. So the way the MLS works is the listing agent or the seller's agent is going to enter the property information, and this is going to allow buyer's agents to access that information for clients who might be interested and also see what similar homes have sold for, which is helpful if you are giving a client comparables. The benefit to working with an agent that is a part of an MLS is that the buyer and seller are working with someone who has the ability to quickly and conveniently access all properties for sale by other cooperating brokerages. So in New Jersey, we actually have 9 different MLS systems, which is crazy. And each one covers a different area. There's usually several counties that are included, but some are specific, like Hudson County is just Hudson, or Monmouth County, it's just specific to Monmouth. I think maybe Ocean might be a part of that as well. But this is awesome because the agent also has access to private contact information and also showing schedules. So whereas you as the consumer might be looking at Zillow to say, when can I see the property or who do I contact? If you are working with an agent who's a part of that MLS, they can find out all that information for you and get you in for an appointment so that you can see the home. So my office, of the 9 MLSs in New Jersey, my office is a member of at least 7 of them. I'm not sure about the last 2, but what that means is that if you are looking to buy or sell, give me a call. I can access most of the properties in New Jersey because my office is a cooperating broker with most of the MLSs. So reach out to me, let me know what you're looking for, and I can find out whatever information you need to know. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's term. It's a beautiful day outside, so I hope you are all enjoying the sunshine. I will see you next Tuesday. It will be April. And as we enter the spring market, I will definitely be talking about some terms that will help buyers who are navigating the spring and summer market. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.